Mrs. Lakshmi Venkatesh.
Mrs. India Asia. How does it feel to hear that? And क्या मीनिंग है इस टाइटल का आपके लिए?
Mm, I think Mrs. India Asia is a title which means a lot to me. Being a professional, being a mother of two, and being busy in my own life, and I had actually वो होता है ना कि ऑफिस जा रहे हैं आ रहे हैं चल रहा है लाइफ चल रही है उसके लिए ये बहुत चेंज था मेरे लिए. ऑन द पर्सनल फ्रंट इफ यू आस्क मी I have become somebody else. I will say I have become another level of person after winning this title. That was one level. Now I have come to a level
in terms of
in
what you
terms
would
of confidence, in terms of my knowledge about things, in terms of handling situations, handling pressure, becoming mature, understanding about my own self. I have become so comfortable in my own skin now. I feel so good, I can't tell you.
beauty pageants बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है सबके लिए जो पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहता है और नहीं भी करना चाहता. बट बहुत सारे लोगों को like people like me and others नहीं पता होता exactly how things work, क्या क्या rounds होते हैं, where does it start from. जनरली हमें ऐसा लगता है ये तो एकदम out of approach एक field हो गया, ये एक contest है. So now that I have you today here with me, I would like to know insights too. I would like to know from you क्या प्रोसेस होता है, वेयर डू यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, क्या राउंड्स होते हैं, हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर, किस क्या क्या चीजों के लिए प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ ब्यूटी पेजेंट.
Okay. So, I think you have to, if you are interested, not interested, I would generally tell you that there are, जब भी ऐसे beauty pageants आ रहे होते हैं तो there are ads. You have to look for those ads. जैसे कि, apply now या ऐसे कुछ आ रहा होगा. You have to apply there. You have to go there and apply there. तो वहाँ पे there might be a subscription fees because क्या होता है कि see everywhere you need to please understand one thing. Nothing is for free in this world. Nothing comes for free. ठीक है? So they take the subscription fees because they want your seriousness. Yeah? क्योंकि बहुत लोग अप्लाई तो करते हैं पर आता नहीं है फिर कोई.
Okay.
So it does not work like that. दूसरा when you get a call from them or maybe a mail from them that कि आपको messages आ जाते हैं that the audition round is going to be held on this date at this venue. In the audition round there will be 2 to 3 rounds, like there will be a self introduction round, there will be a ramp walk round, and there will be a judges questions round.
Okay.
They can ask you anything like what does it take to become Mrs. India Asia, or what do you think about beauty standards, or general questions, and they want to know about your thought process. So उसमें से कुछ लोगों को they shortlist a few candidates, then those few candidates will get a mail stating that they've been shortlisted and when is the finale going to take place. So in the finale, there will be a 4-day training for you, 3 to 4 days. This is the usually जो होता है आजकल. So for that also, see if you are also in the finale again, to see your seriousness, there will be a minimum fees that they will tell you. You have to pay that, and then let the best person win. ओके सो वो होने के बाद अगर आप जैसे वहां जाते हो 4 दिन का, दे गिव यू ट्रेनिंग ऑन पर्सनालिटी, योर ग्रूमिंग, communication skills. Then you will have people from the industry coming in and talking to you. There will be designers, dress designers who will come and give you tips about how you can look or what kind of dresses you can wear. And then there will be people from the industry who do they have modeling assignments and they do web series, and so they will come, they will tell you about this industry as an acting industry कि किसी को acting में जाना है तो what things you have to keep in mind. तो all that, then it's very nice that nowadays these people have also started calling those, I don't know what they are called, they are self-healing self-healing people. So what they take sessions with all the contestants, and there will be a self-healing um, you know session where they will tell you how you can heal yourself and how you have to feel relaxed. Then
Okay.
yeah, and then giving positive energy to your co-contestants.
Oh.
Yeah, all that happens. Then a nutritionist is being called to tell you during those 4 days. Those 4 days are very stressful because you are practicing. There is a series of ramp walk that you have to remember. There are sequences that you have to remember. There are different gown rounds, there are different rounds, all that happens, and you're walking on your heels. So you're very tired by the end of the day. So they will tell you how you have to keep your energy level up, and at the same time you have to eat well and not skip meals because you want to
Look
look
good.
thin or whatever. So
Okay.
all that happens. Then there will be a finale round. In that finale round, there will be sequences. There will be different rounds. There traditional wear round or gown round or whatever. And in the end, okay, before that there will be a semi-final round also. During those
This
4
happens
days,
okay, during the 4
those
days
4 days, there
itself.
will be a semi-finals round.
Okay.
In that semi-final round, again, there will be 1 minute talent round. There will be self-introduction round, and there will be judges' questions round.
अगर कोई एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो कभी भी इस इंडस्ट्री से एसोसिएटेड नहीं रहे, ओके, कंप्लीट फ्रेशर एंड दे आर अप्लाइंग फॉर इट, तो जब आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो व्हाट ऑल डू यू नीड एट दैट टाइम सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई एंड इवन गेट थ्रू? तो अगर मैंने अप्लाई करा, मुझे कॉल आएगा ही ऑडिशन के लिए, दैट्स फर्स्ट. एंड सेकंड, व्हाट ऑल शुड आई बी नोइंग, या मुझे क्या प्रिपेयर्ड रहना चाहिए टू अप्लाई फॉर इट?
एज आजकल यू हैव 20 इयर्स से लेके, मिसेस के बारे में बात करूं, 20 इयर्स से 55 इयर्स तक यू कैन अप्लाई.
Oh.
So age is no bar at all. Your size doesn't matter. That is the best part about these pageants nowadays, because I think we all have started respecting the way we look. So in this beauty pageant especially, and it was very nice, Mrs. India Asia, I met ladies who were like double XL size, triple XL size, but they're so
And
confident.
they cleared the audition
They
also.
cleared the audition. So don't think that you have to look a certain way. Thin होना है, height 5'5" and above होनी चाहिए,
No.
5'6" and above, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Anybody can apply. It's a platform for you to go. I met 71 beautifully wonderful ladies from all over Asia. They were from different parts of life, walks of life. 53-year-old women, all full of energy, life, maze, masti. There were ladies who have had their own struggles, with marriage, with families. Some had not even told where they were. They had झूठ बोल के आए हुए थे कि हम एक ऑफिस इसमें गए हुए हैं. So I met different people, and it was such a learning experience. I think that made me more humble to have met such beautiful ladies, and they all had their own strengths, their own confidence level. It was just too amazing. So this is how you apply, and don't think कि मेरे में तो talent ही नहीं है. I met one lady who wrote to me, अरे मेरे में तो कोई talent ही नहीं है, what do I do? Anything you write. One lady did push-ups.
Oh.
She did 50 push-ups because she goes to the gym and she's a gymmer. So she's into gymming. So any one thing, the only thing that matters is your confidence. Wear a smile on your face always. It gives a different look to your entire overall look. Yeah, personality changes. And question answer round is very important. So how you prepare? Look for all the question answer rounds of beauty pageant that have happened earlier. Go through them. See how these people reply. There will be your thought process also. You possibly cannot just mug up what those people, but there are very, very common, frequently asked questions in these beauty pageants. Make a note of them. But your thought
So where
process
can they find it? ये जो सब questions होते हैं,
YouTube.
YouTube, okay. That's
YouTube
the source.
में लिखो question answer round of beauty pageants, you will get everything.
Okay.
ठीक है? Make a list. हाँ, see how your answer can be different from common answers. Work on that. क्या आपका think beyond. Just don't restrict yourself to a particular thing. बड़ा सोचो, उस हिसाब से रिप्लाई करने की कोशिश करो. Read a lot of books. It matters a lot. Keep yourself updated with what is happening, the current affairs and everything. It helps you.
Okay.
And also be natural.
Okay.
Don't be made up. Be natural. Be what
Very
you
important.
are. Yeah.
इंग्लिश आना जरूरी है.
How commonly we ask question. English आना जरूरी नहीं है.
हम राउंड्स देखते हैं ब्यूटी पेजेंट के, स्पेशली जो Q&A राउंड होता है, राइट, जो आपको से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है ना,
The
everybody has
most
to say.
dreaded round.
Yes. But we have observed mostly उसमें सब इंग्लिश में ही आंसर कर रहे होते हैं.
वो आई विल से अगेन दिस इज अ मिथ कि लोगों को लगता है कि मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी तभी कंसिडर होंगी. इट इज सीरियसली नॉट लाइक दैट. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज लाइक दैट. इट इज आप जिस भी लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल हैं, स्पीक नाइसली, स्पीक वेल, हैव अ गुड थॉट प्रोसेस, यू विल बी एबल टू मेक इट.
I would like to know आपसे क्या, when you were among the finalists, the top finalist, आपसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था?
So in Mrs. India Asia, my question was, what is that one wish you would like to make today? So my reply to that was, oh, I need to tell you my reply also? Is it a question?
No, we would love to, yeah.
So my reply to that was that my wish is to be alive, to live life to the fullest.
Wow.
And to be an inspiration to millions of women out there, and tell them that stand up for yourself, be the voice of your own, and love yourself, because it is only when you love yourself you will be able to love the world.
That's an amazing thought. Of course, that's something like एक reason, बहुत बड़ा reason that could get you the crown.
Yes.
That was a crowning answer. Beauty pageants में sarees allowed होते हैं. It's okay if you're wearing साड़ी, या gowns पहनना compulsory नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. They have rounds. So ट्रेडिशनल वेयर में आप whatever आपका ट्रेडिशनल है आप पहन सकते हैं. उसमें आप साड़ी पहनिए, सूट पहनिए, whichever whatever you want to do.
Okay.
It can be from your state side, but there are rounds where they, like in this pageant we were provided with gowns. So it was a gown round. So people had, they had designed gowns for us. So that is why we wore.
Okay.
So there are rounds you wear according to the rounds.
जैसे अगर कोई सिंगिंग कंपटीशन है, राइट, जो उसमें जीतता है, ये जो भी बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं, दे गेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज सिंगिंग या म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में. डांस कॉम्पिटिशन, आप डांस इंडस्ट्री में जा सकते हो, कोरियोग्राफर्स बनते हो, एंड सो गोज फॉर अदर कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऑल्सो. ब्यूटी पेजेंट में जीतने का क्या मतलब है? व्हाट अपॉर्चुनिटी डज इट ओपन टू यू? या ऐसा होता है कि आप ब्यूटी पेजेंट में जीत गए हो तो आप एक्टर बन जाओगे?
Usually people, it's a very good question and I have always wanted to address this question. Usually people feel कि आप ब्यूटी पेजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, जिस मिनट आप जीत जाते हो वहां लाइन लग जाएगी आपके. यहाँ पे पीपल मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट्स, एक्टिंग, बिकॉज पीपल हैव सीन, जैसे मिस ऐश्वर्या राय और मिस प्रियंका चोपड़ा और मिस सुष्मिता सेन, दे ऑल came into the acting industry. तो I have heard ladies saying ये मेरा बचपन का सपना था मॉडलिंग का, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. So it's good that if you are getting into this, but it takes time. Please understand, everyone does not get work just like that. ऐसा नहीं होता है, टाइम लगता है. आप अपने आप को, you have to present yourself to people. You have to tell them that you have the ability, you are interested. Don't give up. अगर आपको नहीं मिलता है तो डोंट से कि ये तो ऐसी बकवास है. डोंट लूज होप. या आपको इसमें जाना है तो ये तो बकवास है, हमने तो ऐसी फालतू में पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया. एवरीवन हैव देयर स्ट्रगल्स, इवन विनर्स हैव देयर स्ट्रगल्स. यू हैव, काम मिलने में टाइम लगता है. डोंट बी डिसहार्टेंड, बट एक बार मिलना शुरू हो गया, then definitely you will have a great life.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a part of today's episode and talking to you बहुत सारा कुछ जानने के लिए मिला, उससे भी ज्यादा बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला मुझे पर्सनली भी. And the way you talk, the grace that you have, that is inspiring and something that even I want to have in me. I don't know kitna time lagega, but as soon as it happens.
Thank
So thank you so much for taking out time and being a guest today.
Thank you so much, Anna.